Hello everyone, this is MS Abbasi and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel MS Tech, a learning platform for all the learning aspirants. In this video, we will see how we can add TestNg jar file in our normal Java project when we are working with IntelliJ IDE. Without wasting further time, let's go ahead and download this TestNg jar files first. Then we will create a Java project from scratch and we will execute one test case using TestNg in Java project. So to download first, you need to go on Maven repository. So just search for Maven repository. There you will see this option, mavenrepository.com. Once you go inside it, you will see this search box. There you need to type TestNg. When you search for TestNg, you will see the very first option in this website called TestNg. Click on it and you will find all the versions of TestNg available here. You can select any one from them, but I'm gonna select the latest one, 7.4.0 for my project. Simply click on it. Once you go inside, it will open up this window. There you will find this files option. Under the files, you will see the jar is available. To download this jar, click on it, keep it, and it will be downloaded in your downloads folder. For me, it is by default in my downloads folder, so you can see it is downloaded here. Now the next step what we are going to do is we are going to create normal Java project from scratch, and then we will add this TestNg jar in our Java project. So to create a Java project from scratch, just select this file option, go on to new and click on project. You do not need to select anything from here because Java is selected by default. Since I am using JDK 17, this is my project SDK available. You will use the JDK which is available in your machine. You don't need to select anything here, just simply click next, next, and then give your project name. For example, I'm going to provide my project name as my first TestNg project. This is the project name I'm going to provide. In this project, I'm going to add TestNg jar file. So just click finish and it will ask whether you want to open it in the existing window or you want to open it in the new window. So I am going to open it in new window. When I open it, you will see it will create your project here. Now the next step is we have to add our TestNg jar file in this project. So to add TestNg jar in our Java project, we need to go in File, select Project Structure, go into Modules. In this dependency tag, simply click on this plus option and then it will ask what you need. You need module dependency, library, or jars. So I'm going to select these jars and the location of my jar file. So it is available in my downloads. We have already seen this. I'm going to select this jar TestNg. Click OK. Make sure when it is highlighted, it should be compile. If you see it is compiled, simply click apply and OK. Now in this external libraries, you will see the TestNg jar is available in your root. Now the next thing is we have to create one normal Java class. There we will write our TestNg test. So to create a class, simply right click new, and inside this new you will see this Java class option. Create a Java class. So here I'm going to write my first class as test class. When I create this class now, because I'm using TestNg, so @test is the annotation we use to execute our test case. So I'm going to write @test. You will see because we have added this TestNg jar file org.testng.annotations, we are getting this option. It is coming from our TestNg jar. I'm going to write my normal method here. And instead of writing a bulky code, I'm going to simply print one statement called hello TestNg. Now we will see if we are able to execute this code via using TestNg or we are getting any errors. So right click and run. Now you will observe when I run this code, I am getting one error. And it error says exception in thread main java.lang.no class definition found error. It says com used jcommander parameter exception. So I am giving you the resolution in case if you come across this issue while executing your TestNg script, what you need to do is you need to add this jcommander jar in your project. So again, we will go back on this Maven repository, and instead of writing TestNg, this time we will write jcommander. It will open this jcommander jar, and here we will select the latest version. So 1.81 is the one we are going to use. The same procedure which we followed while downloading the TestNg jar, we will going to follow the same one to download this jar file. Now again, we have to add the same this jar inside our project. So again, I'm going to select this plus sign, jars, and then inside my downloads, you will see jcommander. Click OK. It is compile, apply, and OK. Now I'm good to go in my project. This time, when I execute my test case, you will get the result as well as the report. So that's how you generally execute your test case via using TestNg in your normal Java project. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe my channel.